Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. All right, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back.
All right. Welcome back to another episode of Flipped Meeting. All right. Woo! All right. We have here our very special guest. We have Miss Amber Silva to my right, and we've got Miss Joanne Kim to my left. Welcome to another episode of our Flip Meeting, where we do this and you don't have to be there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with some technology news. So Amber, take it away.
Just some quick messages from TAC. We wanted to say thank you for filling out the scope and sequence chart with your teams. We really appreciate that. Stephanie and I will be going over that information and sharing back with the district what we collected. This week we just have a couple of helpful tips that we're going to be linking to the agenda this week. We have a couple of videos that you can check out in your own time of things that might be helpful to you in your classroom. The first is going to be a video on creating your own teacher links page within Clever so that your students have easy access to the links that you use most often in your class. The second is a video tutorial on how to access the digital citizenship Nearpod lessons that our district has kind of organized for us. So the video will walk you through how to find them and then how to add them to your library so you can present them to your class.
That's great.
So we'll have those two things available for you.
That's awesome. Thank you, Amber. All right, and great dance moves, right? All right, let's see what's up next. Social emotional. Take it away, Miss Kim.
All right, so there's a few updates that we wanted to share with you guys.
Yeah.
And so me and Cynthia actually put together a presentation, and it's a PowerPoint defining more clearly my role as an ERC and Cynthia's role as a GA.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's like in this form where our voices are recorded and the PowerPoint's provided for you all. We also included some brief red flags and signs that you guys can look out for. As you guys are trying to look for different student concerns, we wanted to give more concrete information. And so we try to make the presentation as brief as possible, so I'll be emailing you all additional notes to that presentation to give more information on what signs you can be looking out for. And we also provided 2 different scenarios of when you could refer a student to me or to Cynthia, but we really just wanted to emphasize when you're confused still about who to talk to or who to connect with, just feel free to contact me, and then me and Cynthia will collaborate with one another to provide the best intervention plan for that specific student.
How do they reach out to you, by the way?
You can email me, you can call me,
you.
or we're in Villa 7.
Mm-hmm.
And so please don't hesitate to stop by, or even just when you see me around campus.
What's your extension?
Oh, shoot. 6467, I think.
Something like that.
That's right.
Something like
I'm
that.
going to have to double check.
I just did this. I just sent an email to both of you saying, here's the situation with my student. How can you help me and who's best to meet my needs? And you guys got back to me right away. So I was very appreciative of that.
Very
We're here to
responsive.
help you guys and to support you all. So that's the update with that. And Cynthia is also going into first grade classrooms right now. I think she's slowly making her way to provide some like social skills. I'm teaching students about empathy and positive relationships. So be on the lookout for that. We're still doing Lunch Bunch. It did still change to Wednesdays to Fridays. So let your kids know that they can come on over if they're having a hard time making friends out during the lunch period. And last announcement, there is a parent workshop being provided on October 11th. That's Wednesday, 8:30 to 9:30
Is that a Thursday?
When October 10th?
Oh,
then,
10th.
On a Wednesday,
Yeah.
8:30 to 9:30 in the library, and it will be presented by Western Youth Services.
Awesome.
And the topic for October will be bullying intervention and prevention.
Ooh, that's excellent. Very good. All right, thank you, Ms. Kim. All right, moving on. Staff development next Monday, October 8th. There's no school for kids. We've got the whole day for ourselves. I'll be sending out the agenda most likely by Friday or Thursday afternoon. We'll see. Some topics we'll be covering is our goal setting for our team. We'll be looking at our vision statement together. We may even read an article together. We're possibly going to be dabbling in what we call an unconference, depending on the needs of our staff. Certainly, there'll be Chris Weber here to talk about Mystery Science, the new curriculum. So stay tuned for that. There will be breakfast and lunch provided, a delicious lunch. We may be having tacos, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and that's it for the 8th. Just kind of give you some other announcements here real quickly. Our social committee, if you haven't paid your dues yet, please do. I haven't either. You have $55, right? Is it 55?
I was waiting for my paycheck.
I think it's 50. So sorry, Brandon and Tyler and yeah, we'll get it to you, Emily. All right, and Lisa as well. Also, restorative justice training. We had about 4 to 6 of our staff who are committed, who are willing to get trained on restorative practices. Unfortunately, the dates didn't quite work out for us, so we're looking to reschedule sometime in November or December. We're looking to put together our own group, so I'm hoping to put together a group of 20 staff members in total, and not 20 all from here. It could be from other schools, and we can bring SEMA out to train us over 2 days. There is, however, a training coming up if you're really excited and you really want an opportunity to do this. October 12 and 13, SEMA Shaw from OC Human Relations is saving 4 or 5 spots for us. So let me know if you're interested in that. It's a Saturday, so I'm trying to figure out a way to compensate you for your time, but hit me up if you're interested, okay? That's all we got for you. You know, do we have anything else that we need to get out to? Oh, Halloween's coming up. Yeah, Halloween. I've been kicking around. Yeah, we've been kicking around some ideas for what to do for Halloween. Should we dress up, or do we not? I say let's do it. Let's do it, and give folks the option to do it. And maybe during the recess time, kids can come out and we can do a little fashion show there. So that's something that's definitely in the pipeline. If you don't think we should do this, and this is like, whoa, Sam, this is a bad move, please do share it with me. I won't share your name with anyone. We'll likely do it anyway. I don't know.
We'll do it anyway.
Yeah, right?
Don't reach out.
Yeah, but do help me out and share some of those roadblocks with me, will you? That's all we got for today. I hope you're enjoying your parent conferences. Mm-hmm. I had a great time meeting with you individually, getting to know you a little better and hearing about your goals and the way you're stretching yourselves.
And your favorite snacks.
And your favorite snacks and your favorite drinks. Yeah. But anyway, I'm having a fun time. So great talking to you, and have a great rest of the week. Be patient, and make sure you're eating and taking care of yourself. All right, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.